Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix group policy error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open your File Explorer, okay? You can also press Windows and E key together, and by that you would be able to open it. For here, you need to proceed with devices and drives and select your C drive or local disk. Tap on it and proceed with Windows. So double tap again. And afterwards, under the Windows file folder, you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named System32. So I can see it here. Just have to double tap it. And once you are here at the System32, before you proceed, navigate here at the bottom search bar and search for File Explorer options. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, go with Open to continue, and wait until the small window called File Folder Options would appear, where here you need to click on View and turn on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Apply and then OK. Once you have set it, here you need to proceed on looking for a file folder named Group Policy. So look for it. So select it and use your down arrow key so that you can locate it well. So I can see this being relocated here. Just have to double tap to it. And here you would be able to see three type file folders, two file folders and a one configuration settings. Where here you need to proceed on machine and you need to rename that by adding an extension which is .alt. So please do a right click and click this rename icon and rename that into .alt. And once you have renamed it, please press enter. And once you have set the machine.alt as the name of this file folder, please close this window and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the changes or actions that we have just performed earlier in this video. So click on restart, and once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and wait until a new window will open called Run, where here you need to type for gpedit.msc and click on OK and wait until a new window, which is your local group policy, would appear here in our screen. And check if it's now working. Okay, I'm sure it will be working this time. So close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.